What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break. Now we're getting ready for 15-16 Upper Deck Black Diamond. We're also giving away a jersey. It is break number 752. Good luck, good luck. Teams are going ahead right now. And it is 10:18, so we're hoping to be live around 10:30, probably just a little bit after, to be honest. Here's Clay down to Stefan and Anaheim down to Winnipeg. Best of luck, folks. One, two, three. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Says 10:18. 10:18 it is. Last and final. Last and final on the teams is at 10:18, and 10:18 it is. So St. Louis is on top. Washington, the halfway mark. You know you're looking for Edmonton in this one, no doubt about it. And there's Detroit to Montreal. Now let's match up some names here. 10:18 still, just about to turn 10:19. We got Clay down to Stefan. Clay to Stefan. All right. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. It says 10:19. 10:19 it is, last and final. Fourth and final timestamp, 10:19, and 10:19 it is. Let's copy them over. Clay, top spot, down to Doug at the halfway mark. Clay to Doug, Timmer down to Jake. All right, guys, here's your teams. We'll post them. We got New God Mojo, Morgan taking home Edmonton. Congrats, man. We'll see you in about 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Good luck.